Well guys, today's videos will be comparing 2014 year Seagate 1TB Barracuda and Cavalry Blue 1TB Western Digital. They're both 7200 RPM. They're both the same catch. SATA, 6 gigs or whatever you call it, transfer. Now, this is a customer's computer that I just did. This one has 450 bad sectors. It only has 600 days of power on time. Lightly used computer. And it was so darn slow and given so many issues and right in bad sectors. And it just was failing. ST1000DM003. Now, if I recall, the older Seagates were much better. I'm going to show you this one here. Now, this one here is out of a DVR. This is a 2009 SV35.3. ST1000 340 SV 7200 RPM. Now this is 3 gig SATA, but anyway, besides the point from the new one to this one. This one is an 09. This one has basically 6 to 7 years of power on time. It only has 84% health, few bad sectors, that's it. Still works perfect. Now this one was running 24/7. I get it's a DVR drive, but look at this old Seagate. This one did its job. It still runs and still works good. This one, it's 1000 gigabytes, 7200 RPM, 6 gigabytes SATA for a desktop drive only. Hardly even made it. Now this one is a 2014 Western Digital Cavalry Blue WD10EZEX, and that was in my Dell computer I sold, and that had my personal stuff on there, so I kept it. This one has at least almost 3.5 years of power on time. It ran 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 0 bad sectors, 0 problems, totally fast, runs good. So somewhere in the line, Western Digital is doing good. That's all I ever sell is Western Digital now to customers. I do not sell Seagates anymore. I used to, never anymore. Somewhere in the line when Seagate went from Maxtor, but Maxtor was in 2006, this is 2009, it did good. Somewhere in this line here, Seagate screwed up. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. It's gonna also show you this. Here's an old DVR drive that I just took out of my computer. I've been using since, this is an 06 1600YS, 16 MB catch SATA. Thing is starting to get tired. It's got over 9 years of power on time. She's getting tired. 100% health and performance, but she's just very slow. But like I said, I've never had any problems with Western Digital. Just a couple, you know, they all go bad. But if anybody's considering getting a new drive, do not get a Seagate. Do not get Toshiba. Hitachi is Western Digital now. I don't prefer Hitachi, but I guess I've never had any problems with Hitachi because they're with Western Digital. But I just buy Western Digital because I've had good luck with them. But I just thought I'd share that with you. The majority of my computer calls that I've done has been these drives right here. And it's just really irritating that my customers have to go through that. The hard drive should last longer than that. That's ridiculous. Just doing emailing and stuff like that and was properly maintained and taken good care of, they shouldn't just fail like that. I did properly take care of this one. Works beautifully. I just don't understand hard drives anymore. Okay, I don't understand it either. But let me know in the comments below. And sorry I haven't did the live stream. My internet went out and the tech fixed it now. I thank you. If you're watching my videos, thank you so much for getting it back on my TV. I think the weather did it, but I'll try to live stream tonight. I'm hoping. I got to go to work and stuff, and I got that customer's computer I got to return back. It's customer's computer's over there. I put this same drive. We bought a new drive. We put the same one in there. That's all she needs for just emailing. Cavalry Blue, yeah, it's nothing that big. And like I said, I've never had any problems. I actually have 5 of these drives. Don't have a problem with them at all. So, I mean, Western Digital is the best. But just gonna let you guys know. Let me know in the comments below what hard drives you've had good luck with. I haven't had the chance to do any farm videos because every weekend I want to do farm videos. It's snowing, and yeah, we got a lot of snow again, and it's just hasn't been one of them days. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll try to live stream tonight. My internet went out, was it yesterday? And then I got busy with this computer call, and things come up, and you know how life is.